Hello everyone, welcome you to this video of second order derivatives. So let us see how do we solve the problems based on second order derivatives. From the word itself, second order, what comes to my mind? Second order means I have to differentiate two times comes to my mind. Okay, so just before I start, let me tell you which are the notations we are using in second order. So if I have y and I differentiate one time, I can write this as dy by dx, or also I can also write this dy by dx as y1. When I see y1 in the question, it is understood I have differentiated one time. Now I have reached dy by dx, I differentiate that once again, and then I can write that as d square y by dx square. Also, if y1 is there, when you differentiate that, you can write that as y2. So these are the few notations which I am going to use in solving the problems based on second order derivatives. So suppose, let us start now. Suppose I take the first question. If y is equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. 5 cos x minus 3 sin x, prove that d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. The moment I see d square y by dx square in the question, what idea should come to my mind is I have to differentiate it two times. Okay, I have to differentiate two times. Okay, fine. So let us start differentiating. So when I differentiate with respect to x, so y will become dy by dx is equal to 5 into cos x derivative is minus sin x, minus 3 as it is, sin x derivative is cos x. I finished one time. Now I differentiate second time. So I differentiate again with respect to x. So when I differentiate again, I'm getting d square y by dx square is equal to minus 5 right as it is, sin x derivative is cos x, minus 3 right as it is, cos x is minus sin x. So here minus into minus will become plus, then sin x. Okay, so therefore now here d square y by dx square is equal to, take out minus, and then what remains here? If you take out minus 5 cos x, minus has gone out. Remember, minus into minus, you should get plus. You can't change the question. Plus 3 minus 3 sin x. So as you see, who is this? Nothing but it is the question y. So this is equal to y. So you are left with the d square y by dx square is equal to minus y. Minus y, shift to the left side, you are getting the required answer. D square y by dx square plus y is equal to a 0. Okay, so hope this idea is clear. Yes, let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. Let's see what is that question about the second order derivative. Okay, so if y is equal to a e to the power mx plus b e to the power nx. Remember, the second order derivative is an important question for 5 marks. Show that d square y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mn into y is equal to 0. So they have told us you have to prove that is equal to 0. Fine. Before I start, I require e to the power ax's derivative here. What is e power ax's derivative? This is of the form e power x. So e power x is e power x into, as I go up, x's derivative is 1. 1 into a is a. Okay, I just have to use this and I will get through this answer. As I look into the question, d square y by dx square idea comes to my mind. I have to differentiate two times. dy by dx means differentiate one time. Y means the required question. Okay, so the question is given to me. I differentiate with respect to x. So what do I get here? dy by dx is equal to a right as it is, e power mx. What is it? E power mx into m. That m I'm going to write here. Plus b into, what is e power nx's derivative? N into e power nx. Done. dy by dx is over. Next, I differentiate again with respect to x. So when I differentiate again, I'm getting d square y by dx square is equal to a is there, m is there, right as it is. Again, I find e power mx. One more m comes down, so this I can write as m square e power mx plus bn, already there e power nx is, one more n will come down, so n square e power nx. Done. So this is your equation 1. This is your equation 2. So substitute now, take the left hand side. So left hand side, what do you get? D square y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus mn into y. Don't take equal to 0. You have to write, you have to prove it is equal to 0. So write the equation 2 here. So what is it? A m square e power mx plus bn square e power nx minus m plus n into, what is dy by dx? am e power mx plus bn e power nx. Then plus mn. Okay, two terms. So I put a bracket. Mn into, what is y? A e power mx plus b e power nx. Now just open the bracket and simplify, you will get the required answer. So am square e power mx, right as it is, plus bn square e power nx. Now here there are two terms, here there are two terms. 2 into 2, 4. Those 4 terms in the middle will have the minus sign. Care should be taken. Don't write minus only for one term and cancel all the terms. No, that is not possible. So you will have 4 terms. What you do, multiply this entire bracket first with m. So therefore it is minus. Okay, so I'll put a bracket, then I will open. So it is a, you're multiplying with m. So m into m, m square e power mx plus bmn e power nx. Now done with m, multiply with n plus amn e power mx plus bn square e power nx. Okay, plus mn a e power mx plus mn b e power nx. Now final step, last step, am square e power mx plus bn square e power nx. Now these 4 terms which I have written, no, all those will have minus sign. Minus am square e power mx minus bmn e power nx minus amn e power mx minus bn square e power nx plus amn e power mx plus bmn e power nx. Okay, so now let us see how do they get cancelled. So am square minus am square here gets cancelled, plus bn square minus bn square gets cancelled, minus bmn plus bmn minus amn plus amn. All the terms got cancelled and you have reached the answer 0. That is your right hand side. Okay, so hope you have understood an important questions. All these are important. All the questions which I'm solving are important. Any they can ask for a 5 marks. Let us go to another question. Third question. If y is equal to 500 e power 7x plus 600 e power minus 7x, show that d square y by dx square is equal to 49 into y. Okay, very simple question. Let us try. So I differentiate with respect to x. So when I differentiate, I'm getting dy by dx is equal to 500 constant, right as it is, e power 7x. What is the derivative? 7 into e power 7x plus 600, right as it is, e power minus 7x. Now I have to be careful with the sign. What is e power minus 7x derivative? Minus 7 into e power minus 7x. Okay, so I finished differentiating once. I have to reach the second order, differentiate once again. So when you differentiate again, you are going to get d square y by dx square is equal to, write that 500 as it is, write the 7 as it is. Don't write 3500. Once again, you have to remove 7 otherwise, because you have to reach 49. That should be the idea. So now what is e power 7x derivative? It is 7 into e power 7x. So 7 into 7, 49 you can write and take out and in the next step. Okay, so plus 600 write as it is, minus 7 write as it is. What is e power minus 7x derivative? Minus 7 into e power minus 7x. So this also made 49. This is also 49. So take out 49. So d square y by dx square is equal to 49. You take out what is inside the bracket for 500 into e power 7x plus 600 into e power minus 7x. But what is this? Nothing but from the question, it's equal to y. So therefore, we have reached here d square y by dx square is equal to 49 into y. Done. Very simple, not even 5 steps for 5 months. Clear? Okay, let's go to the next question. Question number 4. So the fourth question tells us if y is equal to 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, show that x square y2 plus x y1 plus y is equal to 0. Remember, I have told you, whenever you see y1, y2, don't get confused. y1 means first derivative, y2 means second derivative. Let us see how do I reach this answer. Okay, so now here I differentiate with respect to x. Since y1 and y2 is given in the question, let me also take y1 and y2. So when I differentiate, y will become y1. So y1 is equal to 3, right, as it is. Cos x derivative is minus sine log x, and log x's derivative is 1 by x. I will write here. Plus 4, right, as it is. Sin x derivative is cos x, that is cos log x, into log x derivative is 1 by x. Now you can see x is a common denominator. You can write as common denominator. You can see that x is common. So you can write that as y1 is equal to minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x whole divided by x. You can take that as common denominator. Next step, what you do, you multiply this to the left side. Okay, so multiply by x. So when you multiply by x, what you get? You get x into y1 is equal to minus 3 sin log x plus 4 cos log x. Okay, so half of the problem is over. Now you differentiate again. So when you differentiate again, so what do you get? This is product rule. Please be careful. It is first term, derivative of y1 is y2, plus second term y1 into derivative is 1. Minus 3 as it is, sin x derivative is cos x, x is log x derivative is 1 by x, minus 4 sin log x, cos x derivative is minus, no, so that minus I brought out, log x is 1. Now once again you can see x common and then you multiply by x. So when you multiply to the left side, remember there are 2 terms. So both the terms should be multiplied by x. So we are getting x into y2 plus y1 is equal to minus 3 cos log x minus 4 sin log x whole divided by x. So now you multiply by x throughout. So when you multiply by x throughout, what is that you're going to get? X and x will become x square y2 plus x y1 is equal to minus, keep is a constant, minus is common, take it out. So 3 cos log x, minus has gone out, so plus 4 sin log x. So what is this? Nothing but, this is nothing but y, isn't it? Look at the question. Minus y shifted to the other side. So therefore you are getting x square y2 plus x y1 minus y comes to this side as plus y is equal to 0. We have reached the answer. Okay, very easy. Understand all the steps. Okay, yes. Let's go to another question. Question number 5, an important question again. If y is equal to tan inverse x the whole square, show that x square plus 1 the whole square y2 plus 2x into x square plus 1 y1 that is equal to 2. Okay, so I differentiate with respect to x. Remember, y1, y2 means first derivative and the second derivative. So differentiate with respect to x. Y will become y1 is equal to, this is whenever power is there, give first preference to power as I told you. X square is 2x, so it is 2 into tan inverse x. What is tan inverse x derivative? 1 by 1 plus x square. So you found some term in the denominator, immediately idea should come multiply to the left side. So multiply by 1 plus x square, shift this term to this side. So multiply by 1 plus x square. So what is that you're going to get? So we are getting 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to 2 tan inverse x. One step is over. Now differentiate again. Okay. So very simple. So differentiate again. So when you differentiate again, you are getting the product rule, that is first term into derivative of y1 is y2 plus second term into derivative of first is, once derivative is a 0, x square derivative is 2x is equal to 2, right as it is constant. Tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Again, you found something in the denominator, take it to the left side. So again, multiply by 1 plus x square. Remember, already 1 plus x square is there, one more goes. So therefore, you will get 1 plus x square the whole square y2 plus 2x into 1 plus x square. Now there are two terms you have to multiply. For both the terms, y1 is equal to 2 and check your answer. 1 plus x square or x square plus 1 means the same. So very simple, not even 5 steps we have got for a 5-mark question. Okay, there is one more similar type of question in your worked out example. Let me solve that also. So suppose you have, if y is equal to sine inverse x, y is equal to sine inverse x, show that 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx is equal to a 0. Very easy. Here you just have to know sine inverse x's derivative. That's it. Okay. So dy by dx is first derivative, d square y by dx square is second derivative, which you know. So when I differentiate with respect to x, so what do I get? I get dy by dx. If dy by dx is there in the question, write the same thing. If y1, y2 is there, you also can write y1, y2. So this is equal to, what is the derivative of sine inverse x? It is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Whenever I find some term in the denominator, shift it to the left side. So therefore, you are getting 1 minus x square root into dy by dx is equal to 1. As I see the root and I look into the answer, in the answer there is no root. So immediately what should come to my mind? How to get rid of the root? Squaring both sides. Okay. So if I square both sides, so squaring both sides. So 1 minus x square, the root will get cancelled. So you are left with just 1 minus x square. Here it will be dy by dx the whole square is equal to 1 square, which is 1. Now remember, suppose I have y square. What is the derivative of this? It's of the form x to the power n. So it is 2y into y's derivative is dy by dx. Correct? No? Okay. So suppose I have y1 square, that means dy by dx the whole square. So it is 2y1 and y1's derivative is y2. Keep this in mind. So therefore, I differentiate. Now simplification is over. Okay. So I differentiate with respect to x. So it is a product rule. So first term into, now this is dy by dx the whole square. So what is it? 2 into dy by dx into, what is dy by dx derivative? D square y by dx square, or 2y1 y2. If you're getting confused, in place of d square y by dx square, you can write y2. In place of dy by dx, you can write y1. Okay. Plus dy by dx the whole square into minus 2x is equal to, derivative of 1 is a 0. Now compare with the answer. When you compare, you want 1 minus x square, you want d square y by dx square. What you don't want is 2, you don't want dy by dx, you don't want. So whichever terms you don't want, you divide throughout by that. So divide by 2 dy by dx, you will reach the required answer. So what you are left out with? 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square. Then 2 is gone. 1 of dy by dx is gone. So minus x into dy by dx is equal to 0. That is the required answer. Okay. Yes. So let me solve one more last question. If e to the power y into x plus 1 is equal to 1, show that d square y by dx square is equal to dy by dx the whole square. Very simple. So as I differentiate with respect to x, so 3 to 4 steps only. So therefore I get here, this is a product rule. Okay. So first term into derivative of second is derivative of x is 1, one's derivative is 0. Plus second term into what is e power y derivative? E power y is e power y, because you found y, you are writing dy by dx is equal to a 0. Now remember, before you proceed with the second step, you have to check who is this one from the question. E power y into x plus 1, what is that equal to? 1, because this is equal to 1 from the question. If you don't substitute, then you may not reach this answer. Okay, no? Okay, so try and substitute in the second step itself. So what is left out now? E power y plus dy by dx, because that is equal to 1. This is equal to 0. So from this, tell me what is dy by dx. Dy by dx is minus e power y. Call it equation 1. Now I differentiate this. So differentiate again. So I get here d square y by dx square. That is equal to minus, right, as it is. What is e power y? E power y is e power y into dy by dx. Now go to equation 1. Who is minus e power y? This is dy by dx. Okay. So therefore d square y by dx square is equal to, from 1, this is dy by dx into dy by dx. What is dy by dx into dy by dx? You are getting dy by dx the whole square. So very simple, the second order derivative, one of the definite question which will come in your exam. Okay. So understand it carefully and practice it again and again. Okay. So thank you for watching.